Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to add new disk drive to the Windows Server 2025. The process what you are seeing here, it will be same for any other operating system, which is Microsoft based operating system. I am running the Windows Server 2025 in a virtualized environment using VMware Workstation. I have to create the disk and I need to add the disk onto the server. So first, let us see what are the disks which are already available in the server. So if I wanted to see the disks, I will click on the file and storage service, then select the disks. Here you will be able to see the disks which are already configured. I can see there is only one disk, which is disk number 0. If I click on tools and computer management, the same information you can see using disk management. This is the disk drive 0 and it has multiple partitions. Now what I will do is I will create a disk and attach to the virtual machine. So to create the disk, what I have to do is right click on the server, settings, then go to the settings and I will add the disk. So I'll select the add disk, click on next. I will choose the recommended type, click on next. I'll create a new virtual disk, click on next. I'll create only 30 GB disk and I will store the disk as a single file. And I will keep all the disk, everything in the folder which I have created for the virtual machine. So I'll be storing all the files inside the same folder which I have created for the virtual machine. Click on finish, click on OK. A new drive has been created, and since we have created the new drive, it will automatically detect the new drive which is of 30 GB. So there is already a 30 GB disk which you will be able to see now. To add this particular disk to the server 2025, I have to make it online. I will make the disk as online. So once I have made the disk as online, then I have to initialize the disk. Initialize the disk. You will be able to select the disk number. So disk 0 is already initialized and it is online. Because disk 1 is not initialized, you need to select disk 1. You can select MBR or GPT, and I will select the GPT. Now you can see that this particular disk what we have attached, this is unallocated disk. This cannot be used. So what I have to do is I have to create a simple volume. So I will create a simple volume, click on next, and I will use the space which is 30 GB of space. I'll be using the full space of 30 GB. Click on next. I can assign a drive letter. So in this case, I will assign the drive letter as E. Click on next. I'll create the volume name as E drive. And I will enable the perform a quick format. I will keep the allocation unit size to default. I will use the file system type as NTFS. You will be able to see there are 3 types of file system what you can create, which is FAT32, NTFS and REFS. I will keep NTFS, click on next, finish. So now the formatting has been done. If I go to the my computer, you should be able to see the E drive. So this is the drive which we have created. If I wanted to copy some files, let me open the drive, and if I wanted to copy some files here, let us see what is the okay. I will copy these 2 files. My computer, E drive, paste. So you have successfully attached a disk to the Windows Server 2025 and you have created the file system, and you have also tried and copied some files to test if the folders can be copied and it can be used. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.